The name leopard comes from the Greek word leopardus, which is a combination of lion and pardus. The leopard spots are called rosettes because they look like roses. Leopards are part of the cat family Felidae. The scientific name for a leopard is Panthera pardus. Leopards grow from 92 to 190 centimeters long. Their tail adds another 64 to 99 centimeters to their length. Males and females vary in weight. Females typically weigh 21 to 60 kilograms, and males usually weigh around 36 to 75 kg. The lifespan of a leopard is between 12 and 17 years in the wild, and up to 23 years in captivity. Leopards are well known for their cream and gold spotted fur, but some leopards have black fur with dark spots. Leopards are carnivores, but they are not picky eaters. They will prey on any animal that comes across their path, such as cheetah cubs, baboons, rodents, monkeys, snakes, large birds, amphibians, fish. Leopards are renowned for their agility. They run up to 58 km per hour and can leap 6 meters horizontally and 3 meters vertically. Leopards are astoundingly strong. They are pound for pound the strongest of the big cats. This means if all the big cats were the same size and weight, the leopard would be the strongest. They are able to climb trees even when carrying heavy prey, and often choose to rest on trees during the day. One reason why leopards sometimes take their prey up in the trees is to ensure lions can't steal them. The leopard is the most elusive and secretive of the large fields. They are extremely difficult to trace and locate in the wild. When female leopards are ready to mate, they will mate with many of the dominant males near her territory. This takes away the risk of the cubs being killed by one of the rival dominant males because they will think that the cubs are theirs. Leopards have a gestation period of approximately 3 months and typically give birth to a litter of 2 to 3 cubs. Leopard cubs are born blind and are completely dependent on their mothers. Their eyes begin to open after about 10 or more days, and for the first few months their eyes are bright blue. Leopard cubs will stay with their mothers for approximately 2 years. This is how they learn to hunt and survive on their own. In Africa, a black panther is actually called a melanistic leopard by scientists and researchers. And while these black cats may look spotless, if you look closely at a black panther in clear light, the leopard rosette patterns can be seen. Unlike many of their big cat cousins, leopards are surprisingly strong swimmers. They actually enjoy swimming, and this behavior can come in handy given the different types of habitats that leopards need to flourish and to survive. Throughout history, leopards have been depicted in artwork, mythology, and folklore in numerous countries. They are also now commonly used as an emblem in sports in much of Africa. Some people believe that the bones and whiskers of leopards can heal sick people. Many leopards are killed each year for their fur and body parts, and this is one reason why the leopard is an endangered animal.